Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week, 26th of July, Monday 2021. We had an amazing analysis today and most of my traders bank amazing pips today. Let me share with you guys how I analyze in real time and help my traders through live intraday analysis. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig straight to the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. EURUSD, if you look at the EURUSD in 4 hour, today we had this consolidation. We were watching this consolidation from last week. We had breakout this week and beautiful long trade and bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you guys from the analysis, intraday analysis. If you look at here, even Monday we had amazing analysis. If you look at this, is the analysis was made just after the market open. We were looking this consolidation breakout. This is the breakout this morning. As soon as the price hit to the first fib channel, bank few PPs, and then I also updated that analysis in the London morning session. Same analysis you can see here. As soon as we bank some profit, and that what explained to my trader, look for another pullback. So that's what we announced, another this pullback through live audio commentary, bank another few PPs. And then at the New York session, you can see here, price develop another symmetry triangle pattern, beautiful breakout. And as soon as the price hit this previous high and the 100 EMA in 4 hour, and that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. We have this triangle. So you can see we were long today. As soon as the price broke on the major structure, keep taking a pullbacks. That was a beautiful trade on EURUSD, guys. Okay, so pound dollar, let's see pound dollar. We had amazing trades in pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar 4 hour chart, beautiful. Price nicely respected this weekly support level, which is 137,300 level. We had this symmetric triangle pattern in 4 hour. We can see here, beautiful inside candle pattern, breakout. We keep taking a pullback long trade here and bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you guys the intraday analysis based on the high time frame. If you look at here, this is the analysis I did in the London morning session. And you can see here, this was the consolidation breakout, pretty straightforward. This was the breakout, guys. We have this breakout and explain to my trader, keep holding it as long as the price does not break the previous low. We have another scaling trade. We have another pullback trade as soon as the price developed double top here. And that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoying pipping. All right, so then we had another analysis at the New York session. As always, as you can see here, bank few PPs, price came down, look for another safer trade, pullback at this level, which you can see here, price nicely develop another pullback. And as soon as the price hit to the Bollinger Band at this level, that's what we explained to trader, it's time to banking some profit. So you can see here, we were long on pound dollar and the EURUSD and bank beautiful pips. Based on the 4 hour price action, we did intraday analysis and beautiful long trade. Amazing trade, guys. That's what we do every single day, my friend. So if you look at the dollar CAD trade, and if you look at the 4 hour, the price basically respected this level, previously respected. So we were looking at breakout trades here. So this was the breakout trade, we had it. And let me share with you the intraday analysis of dollar CAD. You have 2 trades as explained to trader that the price keep respecting it. This is the analysis, London morning session. Explain to trader, look for previous low or recent high, breakout. You can see here breakout, which came out at the break even. Then as soon as the price respected, and I said to guys, this looks like the price developed another head and shoulder pattern. You can see here, that's the good sign. Take a short trade here. Based on that, again, breakout and retest. That's what happened, breakout and retest. Short trade here, beautiful. As soon as the price hit this support level, you can see here, that's level. That's what we explained to terrorists, enjoying PP. Then at the New York session, we have another breakout. That's what we explained. We literally had this breakout, which we came out at the break even. Once the price developed a double top here, and we explained to trader, price respected, look for this wedge breakout. And as soon as the price broken, we announced through live ID commentary. Guys, look at 4 hour. You can see here, price keep respecting it. Look, another beautiful breakout. Beautiful breakout. Some of the traders are still holding short on this dollar CAD. We had amazing trade on dollar CAD short, long on pound dollar and the EURUSD. We have amazing trade. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. Let me share with you one more analysis, that is the pound yen. We had a beautiful trade. You can see here, once the price respected, beautiful. We had a short trade here. We were expecting price might gonna break this level, which not. Then afterwards, you can see here, price nicely respected. We have bullish engulfing candle, bang, 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 pulled back. And that's what we did. Let me share with you the analysis. You can see here such a beautiful intraday analysis based on the 4 hour. So you can see here, this was the analysis. After the market open, triangle pattern breakout at this level. At this level. And this is, I'm talking about this breakout. This breakout. We have this breakout, pull back, keep taking it as long as momentum is bearish. This morning, as soon as the price hit to the previous low, explained to bank some profit. Look for another pullback, which is, you can see here, we had another beautiful pullback. And I also updated that analysis because some of the traders were hesitating to take this trade. I said to guys, don't hesitate, enjoying pipping. So we explained this breakout. Beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the previous lower, explained to trader banking some pips or tightening your stop loss. And at the New York session, as soon as the price reverse, you can see here, price reverse, and explain to trader as soon as he, because we're watching in 4 hour, as soon as I see this rejection, explain to trader, guys, it's a golden opportunities to take a for long breakout. That's what I did analysis. So you can see here, beautiful breakout. After the breakout, as always, pull back. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, explain to bank beautiful pips. So that was a beautiful catch. We had it, and afterwards at the New York session, pretty straightforward. You can see it after the breakout, looking for pullback. You can see here price came back, beautiful breakout, you know, after this previous high, and bank some profit as in, and then another one long, as long as the momentum is bullish. So we have another beautiful pullback long as soon as the price hit the previous high. Explain to trader, enjoying pipping. So you can see we had a beautiful trades long on pound dollar, euro USD, and short on dollar CAD. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, that the most important and interesting thing is if you watch those analysis in real time, banking pips in real time, and at the same time developing your trading skills, price action trading skill in real time. Once you develop your trading skill and you produce pips here, definitely we can help you to get funded from firms. If you are interested in how I help my traders through live intraday analysis through this platform, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given at the video description. Feel free guys. This is purely free. I can help you. I can listen your situation and challenges. I can give you feedback. All right guys, even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, my friend. I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.